ladies and gentlemen, I'm Professor Pip. Tonight I want to talk to you about a topic I call precious moments. Very important to me, precious moments, and they can be good or bad, they can be negative or positive. Let's say you got the job that you've always wanted, or the career you've always wanted, or you started the business in that path you've always wanted, or you might have graduated from college. Those days you'll never forget, and those are good days, the days you and your whole family met up for Thanksgiving, or you and your whole community might have had a state park barbecue, and you and your friends and cousins and everybody came, and they were just the best times of our lives. At that time, life wasn't so harsh, okay? And at that time, life might not have been punching you in your gut. And those are the days that were good. So what I want to challenge you to do is to kind of think of those moments to kind of help you throughout your day and throughout your year. Think of those moments and fight towards them, okay? In my own personal journey every day, I think of moments that I loved and moments where I was around family and moments where I was just happy. I don't care if I was throwing a frisbee or flying a kite. I just think about times where life wasn't so tragic and the world wasn't such in turmoil. And it kind of gives me hope also that those days are not over and you can fight for those days again. And I just challenge you as family, community, find those days again for your own personal self. And it doesn't take a lot of money. It just takes love. It takes self-awareness. It just takes a little bit of time. And precious moments that are good, positive, precious moments, things that you've seen do when you watch your child take their first steps. You might be angry at your child today, but to keep you sane, you got to think of the day they first said mom or dad, or the day they took their first steps. And then on the negative end, precious moments where you may have been sick and the doctor said it's going to look rough and you were healed some kind of way. Those days where you might have been close to a fatal car accident, or the judge gave you another chance and didn't give you all those years you could have gotten. If we stay in these moments, it'll help us from making bad decisions again. Those slip-ups when you almost might have been in a situation with somebody and now you attached to them for life when you just barely got out of being attached to somebody for life. And then you're back doing the same thing again. So I think sometimes helping us ourselves refer back to negative moments in life where things almost got critical. It'll help us from making bad mistakes again and doing the same thing again, whether it's being around certain people or making that left turn instead of the right turn. So personally in my life, I like to focus on positive, precious moments and negative precious moments. And they motivate me every day. It might be a family member that I love so much they didn't get to live long enough to see me make it to where I made it today. And because of that, I move every day like they're still watching me. Just to give you an example of my own personal life, I move like I have my loved ones, my ancestors are still watching me because some of them that I love didn't get a chance to make it here today. And I think of precious moments I had with them when I was a kid. So just remembering moments with family, friends, and also remembering moments where things almost didn't go right. Thank you for your time, folks. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless. And don't forget to love somebody other than yourself.